You've worked hard your entire life. You've saved, invested, and built a nest egg for your future. But with the current state of the economy, rising inflation, banking instability, and the potential for higher taxes, you're probably feeling a little uneasy about how secure your retirement really is. Let's face it, with so many risks out there, securing your retirement income is more important than ever. But how do you protect what you've worked so hard for? How do you ensure that your retirement isn't just safe, but actually growing, even in times of uncertainty? That's where municipal bonds come in. Stick with me, because I'm about to show you how you can leverage these tax-free investments to create a steady income stream in retirement that keeps your savings protected and your peace of mind intact. Now, let's break this down. Municipal bonds, or munis, are debt securities issued by local governments to fund public projects. They're considered one of the safest investments out there because they're backed by the government. But here's the kicker. The income you earn from municipal bonds is exempt from federal taxes, and in many cases, state taxes too. Let's take a real example. Meet Linda, a retired teacher from Ohio. Linda spent years putting money into her 401k and has about $550,000 saved up for retirement. But with the way things are going with inflation and potential tax hikes, Linda was looking for a way to protect that nest egg without taking on too much risk. She's already enjoying her retirement, but she needs tax-efficient income to maintain her lifestyle without worrying about tax bills eating away at her earnings. That's when Linda discovered municipal bonds. By shifting a portion of her savings into munis, Linda is able to create tax-free income. Her bond income isn't taxed federally, and in Ohio, she doesn't have to pay state taxes either. Now, Linda is seeing her retirement grow tax-free, and she's not even losing sleep over the economic instability that's affecting so many others. But that's not all. Municipal bonds can actually diversify your portfolio, providing a level of security that stocks and even traditional bonds just can't offer right now. Especially with the uncertainty surrounding the economy and rising interest rates, muni bonds are seen as a safe haven, an essential tool to build a reliable income stream in your retirement years. But let's be real here. This isn't a one-size-fits-all strategy. Every person's financial situation is unique, especially if you've worked hard and saved more than $100,000 in an IRA or 401k. That's why it's critical to understand if municipal bonds are the right fit for you. You need personalized advice, and you deserve the education to make these important decisions with confidence. And here's the best part. You don't have to figure this out alone. I want to offer you a completely free Gold IRA guide and a no-obligation educational call to help you understand how to protect your retirement from taxes, inflation, and instability. We'll walk through your options together and explore what works best for your specific financial goals. I know that your retirement savings are personal. You've worked your entire life to get where you are, and you deserve to protect that for the future. We'll make sure there's no pressure, no gimmicks, just straight talk about your options. So, if you have at least $100,000 in an IRA or 401k, click the link below and grab your free Gold IRA guide today. Let's make sure your retirement is as secure as possible, because you've earned it, and you should have the peace of mind knowing that your nest egg is protected no matter what happens next. The time to act is now. Let's make sure you're prepared.